18 grams per 1,000 calories. All right, guys, keep it nice and simple. That's it. And then carbs and fats, we already talked about that. You can break that down however you like. For a 200-pound male, 2,000 calories per day. You're taking in 200 grams of protein. That's 800 calories in protein. Then you got another 1,200 to play with. You can divvy it up between the carbs and fat, however you like, depending on what you enjoy in your lifestyle. And the supplements, not fucking important, not relevant. All right, but if you are going to get into the supplements, you got to make sure you're doing all this other shit correctly. And then creatine monohydrate, basic shit, cheap, a whey protein powder, which is a food, not even a supplement, a high quality multivitamin, and then a fish oil. You'll be all right. And then if you want, throw in some caffeine in there before your training sessions. Bam. That's all you need right there, guys. 80 to 90% of your results are going to come from what you do outside of the gym, right? And your lifestyle habits, all right? And then we went over how your body burns fat. Just a little quick recap. Basal metabolic rate, BMR. This is the cost of doing business, just keeping your body on. So like if you're in a coma, right? This is the equivalent of what your BMR would be. This accounts for about 70% of your calorie expenditure. Then you got thermic effect of food. This is how many calories your body burns simply just from, digesting your food. Protein is the most taxing. Okay, that's why high protein diets typically keep people leaner. And then we got NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is all your non-deliberate exercise activity. So this is you walking the dog. This is you tapping your feet. This is you like doing everyday activities, etc. All right, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. That's why, like we said before, Clen, right, is so effective because he gets your NEAT through the fucking roof, which does what? Puts you in a calorie deficit. See how everything comes back to energy balance? Then, last but not least, exercise activity thermogenesis, guys. This is how many calories your body burns from exercise. Contrary to popular belief, guys, your body doesn't burn that many calories when you lift weights and when you do cardio like that. Okay? You're never going to be able, they always say you can't out-exercise a bad diet. That is very true because you don't burn as many calories as you think you do. And before you fucking losers go out there and say, oh, well, Myron, I got a heart rate monitor. I got a pedometer. I go ahead and it tells me how many calories I burn. Those things are not accurate. Yeah, I fucking said it. They're not accurate. I'll put the studies in the fucking description. I did a whole video on this shit. These HRV monitors, all this other shit, they're not accurate. Okay? So the only way that you're really going to know how many calories you're burning, everything else like that, is do what? What I told y'all before. Put your calories into some kind of app, MyFitnessPal, MyPlate, etc. Right? Track your calories, lift weights, get a body of evidence, see how how your body adapts to the calorie number that you take, and then from there, now you have real-time evidence and you know where the hell you're going to go because you've been tracking your progress. Okay, that's why it's so important to track your calories. That is literally the foundation of this entire process. All right, cool. Man. So open it up for questions. I hope y'all fucking enjoyed that shit. So no more excuses. People being a fat piece of shit.
People spend years trying to get this information in a concise package like this, man. You got it for free here on Fresh&Fit. Shout out to Myron for doing that breakdown because, man, I learned a lot too as well. The lifestyle and behavior, that's something I got to work on because my lifestyle's crazy. But overall, great presentation from Myron. You got a fitness program they could join as well because definitely that's going to help some people too.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I don't even advertise it, but if you guys want to work with me, man, it's DM me on Unplugged Fit. Just type PIMP. It's not cheap, guys. I'll tell you right now. If you want to work with me for 4 months, it's $1,000. I don't want to deal with nobody that's not serious. I have in my own app. I fucking put you in there. I work with you, but I don't want no fucking pussiness. Like real talk. Like if you tell me anything, well, bro, I don't know. Don't even hit me up. No, I have even less patience now for guys that are like on some pussy shit about I don't know why I'm fat and all this other shit. Like it's unacceptable to be fat, bro. The one thing in life that you truly control, guys, is your fitness. Okay. I know guys that have one arm, guys that have one leg, they still go to the gym and create an amazing physique. So I don't know why the fuck someone that's able-bodied can't. All right. So, but yeah, hit me up on Instagram, Unplugged Fit. Just type in PIMP. I'll take you in. If you're not a pussy. If you're a pussy, don't even bother. Or I don't have the money. Don't message me, bro. Just take what I gave you guys for free and watch I have a whole fitness playlist. Like I'd rather you take the stuff for free and just run with that. Then hit me up and say, yo, let's work. Fuck that shit. We're doing very well. We're blessed here.
No time to waste.
So no time to waste, bro. I'd rather y'all just get the free information. Only come to me if you're very, very fucking serious.
We got Derek the Trader, $20. I'm 43, 5'10", 175 pounds. I'm married with a kid. I work 60 hours a week. I work out 6 days a week, and I have 14.9% body fat and a purple belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. To your younger overweight guys,